So this is the exponential equation which we have to solve. So solve the equation 4 raised to x plus 2 raised to x plus 2 is equal to 3. Now what you need to do in this case is we'll be using the law of indices and also the laws of logs for this. So what will I do is I'll make two columns and I'll write the steps on the left hand side and the rules on the right hand side. So you know which rules I'm applying. You need not do that in the exams, but here I'm just doing it for your explanation. So this is the equation which I just copied. Now what I need to do is I'll write this as 2 raised to 2x plus this is 2 raised to x into 2 raised to 2 is equal to 3. So obviously I've used the rule a raised to m plus n if you have. So a raised to m into a raised to n. The first rule or law of indices. That's what I've applied over here. Now this one I can write it as this. I'm using the rule. If you have a raised to m raised to n, this is a raised to mn. So I'm applying this rule in the reverse way. Plus 2 square is 4 into 2 raised to x minus 3 is equal to 0. So now you let 2 raised to x be equal to y. So this will become y square plus 4y minus 3 is equal to 0. Factorize it. So when you factorize it, you have to find out factors of 3 so that the difference is 4, which is not possible. So I'll use my formula. So I'll use the formula y is equal to minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. I'm using the quadratic formula. So y is equal to minus b. So now if you look over here, so a is the coefficient of y square, which is 1, b is equal to 4, c is equal to minus 3. So minus b is minus 4 plus or minus root b square 16 minus 4ac upon 2a. So y is equal to minus 4 plus or minus root 16 plus 12 upon 2. So y is equal to minus 4 plus or minus root 28 over 2. You need to simplify this fully. Minus 4 plus or minus root 7 4s are 28 divided by 2. So y is equal to minus 4 plus or minus 2 root 7 divided by 2. You can remove 2 common. 2 2s are 4 root 7 divided by 2. So this and this cancels. So what I will be left with, y is equal to minus 2 plus or minus root 7. Now I know what my y is. So I'll resubstitute the y. The value of y is 2 raised to x. Here, we have assumed it. So 2 raised to x is equal to this. Now this is where it is important. Now again I'm using the rules of logs. So if you have a is equal to b raised to c, to convert this into log form, log a to the base b is equal to c. This is what we do. We are converting index form to log form. So the base b will become base for the log. So the base of the index will become the base of the log minus 2 plus root 7. Now why am I not writing plus or minus root 7? The reason is log of a negative number does not exist. So minus 2 minus root 7 will be a negative number, hence the log of that does not exist. Root 7 will be something 2 point something because root 9 is 3. Root 4 is 2. So root 7 will be 2 point something. So if you have minus 2 and minus 2 point something, the overall the number would be negative and the log of a negative number does not exist. So this is very important. You have to drop the minus sign and therefore your final answer is this, not with this minus. So let me repeat. So this is a quadratic in disguise. So what you need to do is first you will apply the rules of logs, rules of indices and split this up. Rewrite this as a quadratic. Get all terms on one side, make it equal to 0. Use the quadratic formula. Substitute in the quadratic formula. Resubstitute the value of y is 2 raised to x. You are solving for x, so convert the index form to log form. The base of the index will become the base of the log on the other side, keeping in mind that if a log and negative number does not exist. So this is what we are supposed to do.